Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Hamilton, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we are going to look at a key decision for many homeowners. Should you build a deck, a patio, or both in your backyard? Let's start with decks. A deck is built on framing above the ground, so it is ideal when your back door sits higher than your yard or your property has a noticeable slope. By using posts and beams, we can create a level surface where the ground is uneven. This lets you step straight out from the house onto a comfortable, usable space instead of walking down a steep hill. Decks also work well with railings and stairs. If you need safe access down to the yard, a deck can include stairs and landings placed where they make the most sense for everyday use. Multi-level deck designs can help you transition between different heights and create separate zones for seating, grilling, or just open space. Now let's talk about patios. A patio is built closer to ground level, often with concrete or pavers. Patios are a strong choice when your yard is fairly flat or can be graded to a gentle slope. With the right base preparation, proper compaction, thickness, and drainage, a patio can stay stable under heavy furniture, fire pits, and outdoor kitchen equipment. Patios are also a good option when you want a solid surface that feels very grounded and connected to the yard. They do not need railings if they are low enough, which can keep sight lines open. In some backyards, a simple patio off a sliding door is all you need to create a practical outdoor area. In others, combining a small deck near the house with a larger patio below gives you more flexibility. Maintenance is another piece of the puzzle. Decks built with traditional wood need regular cleaning, staining, or sealing to protect against weather. Composite decking from brands like Trex offers a lower maintenance surface that resists many of the problems that affect wood, such as rot and splinters, though it will still need routine cleaning. Patios usually do not require staining, but joints, edges, and drainage still need attention over time. So how do you choose? Start with your door height and yard slope. If you have a walkout situation with several feet between the door and the ground, a deck or a mix of deck and stairs is usually the most practical way to create a level space. If your door is close to grade and your yard is fairly flat, a patio may make more sense. You can always blend both, using a small landing deck at the door and a larger patio out in the yard. If you are trying to decide what fits your property best, you can reach our team at 513-895-9287 or visit toughdeckbuildershamilton.com to walk through options for decks, patios, or a combination of both. At Tough Deck Builders Hamilton, we design outdoor spaces around your site conditions and long-term goals, so you end up with a strong, practical setup instead of a one-size-fits-all solution. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Hamilton, and we will see you on the next episode.